Vele vele right now. Right now. 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 Samula la tadara ikutsa. Samula la tadara ikutsa. Samula la tadara ikutsa. Samula la tadara ikutsa. Nankas chovos kunta. Samula la tadara ikutsa. Samula la tadara ikutsa. Samula la tadara ikutsa.
We welcome you all, our grade 6 graduates, for this commencement dinner. Karibuni. So, I want to hear some noise as you appreciate yourself for this far that you have come and you are here, you've done your assessment. Appreciate yourself! All eyes on me with your simple moves. Let's go. All eyes here, okay? So we're just vibing into it. Let's go.
Kama siwe baba, ningekuwa wapi leo? Kama siwe baba, nisingekuwa hapa leo. Naona niwe baba. Najua niwe baba. Majaribu ni kwa muda, mwishowe utashinda. Hata unapolemewa, kumbuka ulikotoka. Bwana hatakuangusha, yeye ni mwamba imara. Ukijipata kwenye noma, yeye atakuokoa. Kama siwe baba, ningekuwa wapi leo? Kama siwe baba, nisingekuwa hapa leo. Naona niwe
I can't hear you. Amazing. 3, 2, and 1.
Ezingane zigcwele, iskemsami siphelele, cela ningithelele, noma yisavana nyana. Ezingane zigcwele, iskemsami siphelele, cela ningithelele, noma yisavana nyana. Akasafuna ukumula, akafuna ukulala, awungepha uzolala, uzolala nana. Akafuna ukumula, akafuna ukulala, awungepha uzolala, uzolala nana. Ubedanza phezu kwetafula, lapha Alexandra. Ayinambona lona, ngizomashkarana. Ubedanza phezu kwetafula, lapha Alexandra. Ayinambona lona, ngizomashkarana. Unkulunkulu asithethelele, asiyeke sihlalele. Nababona labantwana benza mawala wala.
Please join us here. All the boys, come here. Come on, guys. All the boys,
all the boys. I just want us to do something simple so that we can energize ourselves, right? Yeah, you guys, you look as if you're going for Ballon d'Or, eh? All right, Mr. Casey, give us the song. Aha. Now let's go.
Boys.
Aha. Hey.
Ikibamba sana basi pull it up. Select a cheza doba once from the top. Dojo mabe, dojo mabe. Tunisha speaker, we mash it up. Fire, we light it up. Dojo mabe, dojo mabe. Tuko tao, CBD kwa penthouse. Wanadhani CBD ni guesswork, lakini ni jua bidii tunazoza, na ni magrami tundo tunangoja. Donjo maber kwa mdomo ni kuber, na doba Joni Mwaki ukipenda email. Napendwa na mapeng na wote Joni 10, nikikusalimia unanijibu tu maber. Napenda vile magala wamekuja wamebeba. Napenda vile mamanzi wamekuja wameiva. Ikibamba sana basi pull it up. Selecta cheza doba once from the top. Donjo maber, donjo maber.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Praise Ndwati from Grade 6 Masiiwa, and I'm truly honored to speak on behalf of the amazing Grade 6 class of 2025. First, I want to thank God for bringing us this far and for giving us the strength to overcome challenges. A special thank you to our teachers, our parents, and the school leadership team for being our greatest supporters. You have guided us with patience, kindness, and wisdom. You believed in us even when we doubted ourselves, and for that, we are forever grateful. You helped us find our Nova and taught us lessons that go far beyond books. Lessons about teamwork, courage, and believing in our dreams. To my fellow graduates, we've shared so much laughter, teamwork, and unforgettable memories. We faced challenges together, cheered each other on, and grown into a true family. As we take our next step into a new chapter, let's keep believing in ourselves and never stop dreaming. Who knows, one of us might become a doctor, a pilot, a teacher, an engineer, or even something the world has never seen before. No matter which school we go to or which path we take, let's always remember the lessons we've learned here and the family we've built. As Nelson Mandela said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Tonight is not the end of our story, it's the beginning of a new adventure. Congratulations to the Grade 6 class of 2025. Thank you and enjoy the evening.
Wow.
Amazing.
Good evening, everyone. It's really exciting to see you dressed like this at your commencement dinner and just relaxed, right? So this time it's all about celebrating you as we finish. It's time to keep growing. You're done with primary school, and in some ways we're kind of sad. We're kind of emotional because we're not going to see you in January when we open school. But at the same time, we're excited for you because we know in January you'll be in junior high and you'll be in a different stage of your life. So that's really exciting. A few words of wisdom after finishing primary school. I just have a couple of tips for you. It's really important to think about your next steps. The next steps for you are junior high. You have to lock in. After junior high, it's university, and then you're like us, working and having an amazing life. So in junior high or high school, you need to really put your best foot forward. Don't waste time. In fact, the first thing you should do is be grateful. Be grateful. When you meet your new friends in January, always remember to thank the people around you. Always take the time to express gratitude to people around you, your classmates, your teachers, your parents, and to the good Lord. Then be humble. Humility is so important. Always treat other people well and don't think you're better than others because we're not. God made us all beautiful and wonderful. No one's better than the other. Be kind. Mean people never, ever win. Ever. In fact, kindness opens doors. Kindness makes you really attractive. And kindness attracts success. The kind of success that lasts for years and years. And finally, be a great friend. What is that? A great friend celebrates your friends' wins. They're not jealous of you. They comfort you when you have hard times, and they make up with you quickly if you ever argue. Forgive each other easily and treasure your friends always. So to all of you graduates, thanks for your hard work in primary school. You are all amazing. We'll never forget any of you, ever. And we wish you very well. Right, teachers? Yeah, so we wish you very well. God bless you all. Take care, and I'm proud of you. Thanks.
EP Christine to reveal the surprise that we have for all of us. Thank you.
Yes, and as you go out into the world, we would love to give you some letter jackets so you can remember your time in primary school. They'll have your name on them, as well as 2025. They're the special Shuja jackets that we give only to grade 6s who are commencing. So congratulations. We hope you love them.
Nataka nibadili wangu mtazamo, niwaze kitajiri na wewe maumivu njoo. Nataka nibadili wangu msimamo, niishi kijasiri. Ile habari ya kulialia kila siku nakata, na kama nilisainiwa mkataba nafuta. Ndugu tuliowasaidia wakaficha makucha, walipofanikiwa wakataka kutushusha. Mafuta zile waibi, sijapata kwa nini? Najema ujasiri, nitapata na mimi. Mafuta zile waibi, sijapata kwa nini? Najema ujasiri, nitapata na mimi. Bora hata nimshukuru Mungu kwa hivi nilivyo, maana hata kuna wengine hawajafika nilipo. Bora hata nimshukuru Mungu kwa hiki nilichopata, maana hata kuna wengine wamekosa kabisa. Bora hata nimshukuru Mungu kwa hivi nilivyo, maana hata kuna wengine hawajafika nilipo. Bora hata nimshukuru Mungu kwa hiki nilichopata, maana hata kuna wengine wamekosa kabisa. Nothing personal, feel the pressure now when you come to my face. Come to my face. See as I speak the bell, that's international, conventional grace. Conventional grace. No disconnect. I the cat cruise forget. If you talk, you collect. It goes down when my G's connect.
At this point, I'm going to invite our DJ to give us a celebration song as I invite EP Christine to come and do the cake cutting with these great cake matrons. Wow, wow, wow.
Let's appreciate, let's appreciate, let's appreciate, let's appreciate.
Good evening, grade 6, Principal Christine, deans and teachers. This is to the students. As you all know, this is our final year in primary school, a year that has been filled with learning, laughter, and unforgettable memories. We have grown together, faced challenges, and celebrated many victories. Through teamwork, friendship, and a lot of determination, we made it. To my friends, thank you for the jokes, the group projects, the laughter in the corridors, and the support when things got tough. We truly built memories that will last forever. And yes, to my close friends, see you later on Roblox. To the teachers. Now to our wonderful teachers. On behalf of all students, thank you. If it weren't for your dedication, patience, and love for teaching, we wouldn't be standing here with confidence, ready for the next stage of our journey. You've helped us understand lessons that felt impossible. You spent extra time with us, even on Saturdays and holidays. We appreciate every effort and every encouraging word. To our deans, thank you for teaching us how to study wisely, revise efficiently, and stay disciplined. You showed us how to conquer challenges, stay focused, and still make time for rest and fun. Your guidance has truly helped shape the way we approach learning. To our executive principal, Christine, thank you for being a constant source of inspiration and strength. You've taught us the importance of kindness, discipline, respect, and balance. Because, as you often remind us, all work and no play makes grade 6 a dull grade. You've helped us prepare to face the world with confidence and courage. To all, tonight is not the end. It's a new beginning of a new and exciting chapter. On behalf of all students, we are deeply grateful to every teacher, dean, and leader who walked with this journey with us.
I